That's what I mean.
A fear factor?
You heard what he said about fear.
Yeah?
He said fear is an illusion.
Hey, I was actually awake
Yeah,
for
that was
that
pretty
part.
interesting what he said.
I was
I know.
awake for
That was
that
pretty
part.
cool.
It was psychologically.
Yeah, I like that movie.
It was great. What'd you guys think?
Of what?
The movie.
It was good.
Yeah.
I cried at the end.
Did you?
It's always good if you cry.
I know. I was sad when the
You
eagle
fell
died.
asleep too, though,
I
Mom?
know.
No, I did
eagle.
not fall asleep. She was snoring.
I'm sorry,
you.
okay,
I told
hello.
you.
I
Why
heard
did they have to kill all the baby eagles too?
I know.
I know,
that
I
was,
just like that.
that was
Oh, and by
hard.
the
They
way,
tried to save them, and then none of them got saved. That was fucked up.
I know, and you know what? There are no animals like that in Humboldt. There's no chimpanzees or things like that running in the. Just so you know.
It doesn't matter.
Like
you
we
come
thought
visit
there
me-
was going to be things trying to kill us, huh?
Yeah, there's no giant
Designed
eagles.
now to consume humans that are in Humboldt.
Yeah, we won't be visiting anytime soon, Julie. We're just gonna stay
I'm like,
right.
this is where I live.